This is part 1 of Homelabbing on a $0 budget with almost zero experience and knowledge in IT. We'll be setting up a VPN on a Chromebook. Now, most videos break down what is a VPN and why it's used, but here's a network graph I created. For this mini experiment, we're going to need a PC with Linux, a free DuckDNS account, a router that supports port forwarding, and a little bit of time. We'll be using PiVPN, which simplifies installing and managing a personal VPN server on a Linux device, with WireGuard as the VPN protocol to let us securely access our home network from anywhere. To start off, we're going to set up a DuckDNS account. Go onto the PC you plan on making the host for this VPN server and head to www.duckdns.org. DuckDNS is going to give us a free domain that points to our changing home IP, which is essential for remote VPN access. Log in with one of the methods and pick a subdomain. It could literally be anything, honestly. And copy your DuckDNS token to a notepad on your computer. Alright, now we need to open a port so your VPN server is reachable from outside of your home. Open your router's admin page, is usually this IP. Find the port forwarding section and forward UDP port 51820 to your host machine's local IP. So here we're going to set up the DuckDNS auto updater script. This will keep DuckDNS updated with our current external IP, also known as the public IP, so that the VPN can always find us. Type in this command and replace it with your real domain name and token. Then to save this script file, we're just going to click Ctrl-O to write out, enter to confirm, and then Ctrl-X to exit. Now to make the script executable, we're just going to type in this command. I also set up auto updating with cron using this command. This pretty much makes DuckDNS check and update your IP every 5 minutes. Okay, now we're going to go through the PiVPN installer. You might have noticed that my command prompt changed, and that's because I'm going through the PiVPN installation process in a sandbox so that it doesn't mess up my personal VPN configurations. Follow all the prompts, make sure you choose WireGuard, select Cloudflare, select your local IP, choose the custom port that we said in the beginning, 51820, and select yes for unintended updates. Then make sure you select yes to let your PC reboot. Creating a VPN client profile is pretty easy. We're just going to run this command and then it's going to prompt us to select a client IP in the displayed range. Only the last digit of the client IP will change for each of your clients. Then you're going to give your client a name. It could be, phone, laptop. To import the config to your phone, for example, we can just type in PiVPN QR, which would generate a QR code to scan with your phone. Make sure you already have WireGuard installed for this. And for your personal computer, we're going to import the .com file that we created on our host PC. When you open the config file, make sure the allowed IPs look like this. This enables full tunnel VPN, which means all traffic goes through your home network. Once you did this, you can go to a What Is My IP website. If you see your home IP, then congrats, you set up your own home hosted VPN. Hope you enjoyed.